I hope all of you can see my screen. You have to fill in the blanks with am is are. Okay? You have to do this and listen to me. Give the answer in full sentence. Give the answer in full sentence like this. I'm doing one for you. You have to write the answer. You have to write the answer in full sentence, not in a single word. Okay, not in a single word. You have to write the answer in full sentence like this. That question number 1, I am very, very happy today. Like this you have to do. Understand? I am very happy today. So give the answer in full sentence. 17s are there. Okay, you have to give the answer in full sentence. Don't write only am, only is. Okay, give the answer in full sentence. Do it in your English language copy. As you are having sufficient time, okay, try to do as much as possible for you. I'm not giving you any pressure. As much as possible, do. At least you should do 10 and do it by yourself. Everyone, do it by yourself. I will request to parents, please don't help them. If they can read out it, I'm telling you. Zoom your screen. Just zoom your screen, touching on the screen. Okay, because in the exam time you also have to do this. Yes, that is why every day I'm giving you different type of worksheet. Okay, so that you can prepare yourself very well. Raisha, what happened? Raisha, sit properly. Sit properly. What is your condition? What is your uniform? And how you are doing the class? Are you writing? No, you are not writing. Everyone is doing the classwork. Raisha, do. Don't sit silently. As I said already that for English language, you need to practice more and more. After that, you will be able to do any kind of worksheet. Afrin, switch on your video. Afrin, Zubaidul, Mushina, Oishani. Don't put it off. Arshinas, are you there in the class? If you are not there, you'll not get attendance. Arshinas. Arshi, I'm calling you. Arshi, are you there in the class or not? Arshi. Srishti, do fast. Don't waste time. Ashna Nas, what are you doing with this phone? I will check the recorded video after the class, and if I found the student without doing the classwork, you are taking picture of the screen, definitely I will complain, make a complaint against you. Because you know, teacher share the screen so that you can do it properly. Don't dare to take the picture of the screen. This is prohibited. Prohibited means nishiddo. Prohibited means you have no option. You must have to do this because in the exam time, you also have to give the exam in this way. You have to read out the question from the screen and have to write. So why not in the class? Akmal Ali, are you writing? Okay. I request to parents that let your child to do it by themselves. Srishti, don't switch off your video, Srishti. Srishti, Raisha, because you know that at the end of the class, you have to show me your classwork. And if you fail to do that, you know what will happen. If you fail to do that, I will also not give you attendance. Must have to do the classwork. If you cannot understand anything, you can ask me. I'm here for you. Yes, Rajdi. Yes, Rajdi. Rajdi, speak loudly. I cannot hear you. Okay, speak in English. I joined just now. Say like this. I joined just now. Okay. Okay, Rajdi, as you joined just now, write only answer. Only for Rajdi because she has joined now. Okay. Amizar, read the sentence properly and choose. Do fast. Yes, Borna.
Completed.
With question.
Yes. Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Very, very good. Okay, student. After 5 minutes, I will mark the answer. Let it complete by you all. Okay. So if you have completed question with answer, make me sure that you have written questions with answer, not only answer. What Barnabo said, Barnabo has written like me, how I have written on my whiteboard. I am very happy today. Like this, if you have completed, then only raise your hand, otherwise not. Akmol Ali, show me your copy. Acha, 1 minute. Let me do it. Let me do it. Okay. I am very happy. Shushan, 12 years old. Shushan is 12 years old. They are. Okay. Check your copy by yourself. Those who have completed, okay, check your copy by yourself. Mom and dad are at a party. The tree is green. Dogs are happy. Kelly here. Kelly is a name of a person. So, is Kelly here? Is Kelly here? There are 2 apples in the basket. Billy and Fiona friends. Billy and Fiona are friends. The teacher is at school. Is at school. Sparky. Sparky is the name of a cat. So Sparky is a black cat. The box red. The box is red. Fiona dash a good girl. Fiona is a good girl. You are my best friend. Ayush is checking his copy with me. Very good. They dash hungry. They dash hungry. They are hungry. Captain Cook. Captain Cook is the name of a person. So Captain Cook is a pirate. Pirate. Okay. Monkeys are crazy. So I got 17 out of 17. Check your copy and tell me how many marks you have received. How many marks? This is my number. I got 17 out of 17. Yes? Now tell me your marks. Show me. Is it 17 out of 17? How many of you have got 17 out of 17? Like me? Any one of you? Then write it down and circle it and then show me. So those who are doing, take your time. Still you are having time. You can do. If you have completed, Shumon, Himadri, Mushina, Shampriti, Arshi. Very good. Arhan, Rihan, Arhan Rahman. Okay, very good. Shivagni, very good. Tirasha, very good. Ayush, Ayush is writing. Okay, take your time. Shumon completed. Oh, okay, very good. Very good, Tirasha. Mandeep. Okay, take your time. Still you are having time. Okay, do it properly. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do it properly. You are having time. Do it properly. 10 minutes. You are having 10 minutes. Arvika, Bornabo is first today. So excellent. I said that's why. Not very good. I said excellent for Bornabo. Very good. Irene. Irene has written that she got 17 out of 17. Very good. Arvika also. Now Oishani started to write 17 out of 17. As I just said. Very good. Ifra. Wow, Oishani. Very good. Very good, Srishti. Very, very good. Very good, Arvika. Yes. This is called self-checking. Self-checking sometimes needs. Very, very good. Okay. Acha. Next. Ayush, don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. Don't be panic. আস্তে আস্তে করো। আস্তে আস্তে লেখো, ভুল করো না। That is enough for me that you are right. Wow, very, very good. Very, very good. Mushina, Sampriti, Samprikta, Arshi, very good. Arohi, are you writing? Okay, very good. Those who have, very good, Arohi. Samprikta, very good. Deeptha, Orgopal, Zubaidul, very, very good. Shomodi, Nishan, Zivi, Zivi is writing. Okay, okay, don't worry. Okay, okay, do. Sorry. Pratusha, Raisha, Ronak, Arvika, Admin. Okay. Okay, very good.